Welcome to Techno Cafe. This is where you'll learn tips and tricks for using your iPhone and iPad and other software or apps. I am Ruth Chevres, your host on this channel. I've been teaching people how to use software for the last 20 years. I love technology and teaching people how to make the most of it. In this video, I'll show you how to make different searches on your iPad and iPhone. You'll learn how to quickly search for documents, contacts, or apps. So let's start. Swipe down from the top of the screen and the search field appears. Type the word you're searching for. As you can see, the results appear organized, showing all the apps that contain the word you search. You can also initiate a search in the web using the results that contain the Safari icon. Further down, you can find other results. In my iPhone, the word reunion appears in my notes, in the Apple and Google Calendar apps, and in the Messages and Mail app. Just click on the desired result and it will open the app with the document that contains the word. Click the search link to return to the previous screen. To search for a contact or document with a name on it, use the search bar and type the name. Now you can see all results that contain the name on your iPhone. As demonstrated in the previous section, you can open the app by clicking on the desired result. The search field can also be used to quickly search for an app. Swipe down and type the name or part of the name of the app. To open the app, just click on the app icon. Thanks for watching! Hope you learned a new trick today that will make your life easier. Share with others that may need this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the love. Come back for more tips and tricks on using your iPhone, iPad, and other apps. See you!